One thing I won't forget about 2022 is all the hard work we did for Sound Talks to improve their architecture and make it serverless.
Working for Panenco in New York City.
The success of Panenco Academy resulting in more than 15 interns over the summer.
Working with the marketing design team on our success cases.
Our ISO 27001 certification. Very proud of this one.
The phenomenal resilience of our Ukrainian team under the worst of circumstances.
My goal for 2023 is finding product market fit with Kit Online.
Keep on learning, keep on growing.
To continue supporting the rapid growth of our team.
Getting more products to their product market fit.
Building even better operating procedures and building Panenco as a whole.
To specialize more into cloud design and cloud architecture.
To keep growing, learning and scaling and have some fun along the way.